Hello class 6. In our last computer class last week we have started chapter 7 HTML. So just a quick recapitulation. HTML full form hypertext markup language. Today we'll discuss the full definition. It is used to describe structured documents as well as to create web pages in the internet. Okay. Terms related to internet. What is a website? Website is a set of pages of information on the internet about a particular subject and which is published by a single person or an organization. The web pages are linked with one another to form a global web of information. So what is a website? It is a set of pages of information on the internet about a particular subject. Just I'll show you once again today. Last day I have showed you. Suppose you open a Google Chrome. Google Chrome is open. Now in the search box, suppose you want to know about HTML. So type HTML. Now see, related to HTML, the many websites address are given here. We can open any. It's opening. See, open. So this is the home page of HTML tutorial. Okay, in this we can get all the information about the HTML. The examples, HTML exercise, HTML quiz. Okay, so this is website. Now web pages is a document commonly written in hypertext markup language that is accessible through the internet by using a web browser. Multiple web pages together constitute the World Wide Web. Many web pages together. It forms the word www, which full form is World Wide Web. A web page contains the text graphics. Okay, if it contains only the text, then it is called hypertext. Graphics and hyperlinks to other web. It can be accessed by entering a URL address, URL full form, inform resource locator. Web page can be either static or dynamic. Static pages show the same content each time. How many times you open the web page, it will show you the same thing. So that is called a static page. And dynamic page, how many times you open it, it can change the content. Web browser, it is a software application to access the internet, like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Netscape, Navigator. I'll show you now 3 web browser. See, one is a Google Chrome here. One is the Internet Explorer and one is the Mozilla Firefox. So these 3 are the web browser. Okay. A web browser helps. It contacts the web server and sends a request for the information. It receives information and displays the content on the user's computer screen. Now this was taught in last class. In today's class, we'll continue with the web browser. What is the primary purpose of a web browser? The primary purpose of a web browser is to provide information resources to a user. The most popular web browsers that are used nowadays are Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Once again, I will show you. That is a Google Chrome. That is the Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. See, this is Mozilla Firefox and this is the Google Chrome. Okay. So these are the used nowadays. Just now I opened the Google Chrome only. This is the Google Chrome. This is the front page. The Google is here. We can search any information in the Google. Alright. So that is the web browser. We have different web browsers like Internet Explorer, which inventor Microsoft company. Google Chrome by Google. Mozilla Firefox by Mozilla. Opera by Opera Software. Safari by Apple. And Netscape Navigator by Netscape Communication. Netscape Communication. Okay. Now what is a home page? A home page or an index page is the initial or main web page of a website. Like in the last class I opened and showed you our school website. You remember? Let me try once again today to open. If we can open or not. Don Bosco Academy, McCloskey Girls. McCluskey-Ganj. It's opening. So this is the home page. A home page or an index page is the initial or main web page of a website. It is also called the front page or the main page. It gives the detailed information about the website and acts as the screen from which all the other screens on the websites can be linked. Now let us see, it is opening only. Let me check the network. Yeah, it is connected. Taking time to open. Okay, let it open. We'll see the other things. So home page is the initial page, the main page. Okay. Now the actual definition of hypertext markup language. This you are supposed to learn. What is the HTML? Full form hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language is a language used to design and display web pages on the internet. It is a language used to design what? Web pages on the internet with the help of web browsers. It includes text. Text means typed material, documents, that is called the text, as well as graphics. Graphics means the photos. Let us see whether it open or not. No, see, open. This is the home page. So it has got the photographs, it has got the graphics, it has got the text. So all these things are called hypertext. Okay. As I showed you, this is our homepage of the school website, our Don Bosco Academy, McCluskey-Ganj. Alright. Now it includes the text as well as graphics. It also provides the means to link the pages on the internet. The next topic is, what is a hypertext? The documents in the networks are called hypertext if the media is only the text. Now see, if it is written material, like see, this is the typed material. Then if it has got only the text, only the typed one, so it is called hypertext. And hypermedia means the documents in the network are called hypermedia if it includes text as well as graphics. So our school website, it has got both. It has got both. So this is hypermedia. The most common publishing language used by the World Wide Web is the HTML 4.0 version. Now, which is the latest version now of HTML? HTML 4.0 version. The other markup languages are HTML. What are the other markup languages? HTML. What is full form? Standard General Markup Language, and XML, Extensive Markup Language. Okay. So till now, what you have learned in this chapter, you have learned what is a website, what is a web page, two types of web pages, static page and dynamic page, what is the web browsers, what are the examples of web browser, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome and Netscape Navigator. And in the computer we can have many web browsers, like here I can show you in my system, we have Google Chrome, Internet Explorer and the Mozilla Firefox. Okay. Then what we learned? Then we learned the examples of web browser in today's class. Web browser like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox are very popular, and internet belongs to Microsoft, Google Chrome belongs to Google, Mozilla Firefox to Mozilla, Opera to Opera Software, Safari to Apple, Netscape Navigator to Netscape Communications Corporation. Homepage is the main page of the website, as I showed you. Hypertext markup language is a language used to design and display web pages on the internet with the help of web browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Hypertext, it is a document in the network which contains only the text. Hypermedia contains both text as well as graphics, and which is most popular HTML 4.0 version. And what are the other? HTML and XML. So this was today's class. Next day we learn with the how to create the HTML. Thank you.